Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza on bread. First, gather your ingredients, your preferred bread, pizza sauce, shredded cheese, and any toppings you love. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your pizza cooks evenly and quickly. Finally, lightly toast your bread slices for about 2 minutes. This crucial step prevents the bread from becoming soggy under the sauce and toppings. Now, let's assemble your delicious bread pizza. Start by spreading 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over each toasted bread slice. Don't overdo it, or the bread might get too soft. Next, sprinkle a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce. Finally, arrange your chosen toppings, like pepperoni, mushrooms, or bell peppers, evenly across the cheese layer for a balanced bite. It's time to bake your bread pizzas to perfection. Carefully place your assembled pizzas on a baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them until the cheese is bubbly and melted and the edges of the bread are golden brown. Once done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes before serving. This prevents any accidental burns. Your quick and easy bread pizzas are now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, you can garnish them with some fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Serve them immediately while they are warm and the cheese is perfectly gooey. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick snack or a fun meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.